Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White is winning here, but white must stop this pawn, otherwise it would be just a draw. That is going to be a losing this challenge, right? So you don't want to do that. And like every day, guys, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so we can't think so many moves in this position, but this would be the best move and the accurate, the easiest move to play to. So the other move might work, but since it's pawn and king in the game, it would just take a lot of moves and that would be just boring and it would be a long video. So the first move is queen to d5 check. So this puts black in 3 options to play to. So let me show you what would happen if the king decided to move to e2. So here what we are going to do is play queen to a2 and pin the queen, the pawn to the king. So now the pawn is pinned actually and can't move. The king is the only move, the only piece that can move, right? The pawn is pinned. So here the king can move to many squares, but this one makes sense, right, to promote the opponent pawn, black's pawn. So in this position we can't give a take, otherwise black would promote a queen and that would be just a draw. Instead what we are going to do is crazy. After the king moves to a d1, we are going to play a king move. We play king to d4. So this makes black to this makes black's position bad, right? So you might say, what if black promotes to a queen? Well, in this position we made another king move, king to d3. So as you can see here, we are threatening checkmate there, we are threatening checkmate here. So black has to move. If black moves the king, we just deliver checkmate this way, and it looks like the queen has no check, no good check. Everything is defended. The queen has this check, but it's defended, and the queen can't actually give a check. Everything is just defended. So in this position black has to move the queen or the king, but we are going to just deliver the checkmate, and black cannot stop these two, right? So for that reason black is going to lose the game. So if black did that, that is what we respond, that would be our response. And if black moves here, what do you think? This is the second critical part of the puzzle. Guys, if you would like to pause again and guess the move on your own, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Okay, so, welcome back. Here the correct move is to play queen to g2. This looks odd, but the idea is we are going to play queen to g5 if black promotes. So that way we would win the queen and the game. So that is our idea, meaning black now can't promote, right? Can't promote this. So black may move the king, and king to d3 is the only king move available at the moment. So in this position we play queen to g5 anyway, and we are aiming at c1, queen to c1, right? So because of the queen's placement, the king can't defend the c1 square currently, and we just get in front of the pawn and it's game over, right? All we have to do is just make this king away from the pawn, right? So the king has to defend the pawn constantly, but slowly but surely we get closer enough to the king, and eventually we are going to capture the pawn under the protection of our king. So that is what we will do if the king in this position moves here. So we have seen these two moves, what would happen with these two moves. So the remaining is to move here, king to c3. So what do we do if the king moves here? Well, if the king played that move, we are going to play queen to d4 check. So now this makes black to retreat to b3, right? That is the only square available. We play queen to a1 and prevent the checkmate, right? I mean the promotion. So in this position, the king can't get any closer, and on the next move, whatever black played, we are going to get in front of the pawn. So put in mind, if the queen gets in front of the pawn with this kind of position, well, only a king and a pawn left, it's going to be just game over for the opponent who has the pawn, right? The pawn can't move, and it's a queen and can't attack in every direction, and the king can't get any closer to save the pawn. So for that reason, this is our call. And I feel like there are so many moves, there are so many variations to cover in this puzzle, but that would be just a long video, and I don't want to do that. If you had some kinds of questions, just let me know in the comment. I will answer it. And there are so many brilliant friends that can answer your questions, specific questions. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point. I will upload similar chess puzzle videos like this every day, so make sure to watch them as well. I will see you in the next video. Bye.